गाइस देखो यहाँ पर लोगों की कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स बच गई है, चिप्स बच गई है बहुत सारी एंड
रेडी सेट गो गाइस। Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is again gonna be a vlog, I think, because last वाला जो vlog था, a lot of people liked it and they enjoyed watching it. So here's another vlog. Basically अभी it's 26th February 2024 and अभी 3 दिन हमारा कॉलेज में फेस्ट है, which is 26th, 27th and 28th. So आज फर्स्ट डे है, तो आज मूवी नाइट है कॉलेज में एंड बहुत सारे स्टॉल्स लगेंगे जिसमें से एक स्टॉल हमारा भी है. तो अभी आई जस्ट केम बैक फ्रॉम कॉलेज. हमारी नॉर्मल क्लासेस लगी है फेस्ट के टाइम में भी, तो हमारी अभी नॉर्मल क्लासेस लगी थी. मैं अभी घर आई हूँ. आई विल हैव माई लंच एंड देन वील अगेन हैव टू गेट रेडी एंड वील रीच कॉलेज, क्योंकि हमको बहुत सारा सेटअप करना रहेगा for the stall. And yeah, अभी जल्दी से we'll have lunch. Okay, so guys, I had my lunch. अभी we are gonna get ready because time क्या हो रहा है अभी 3:15 हो रही है and we have to start getting ready अभी से, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत चीज़ें शूट भी करनी है साथ में. सो आई डोंट रियली वांट टू गेट लेट एंड ऑल्सो मेरा भी आउटफिट भी कंफर्म नहीं है. आई एम कन्फ्यूज्ड कि मेरे को फुल स्लीव्स पहनने चाहिए, हाफ स्लीव्स पहननी चाहिए, नया पैंट पहनना चाहिए या नहीं, क्योंकि वी हैव टू कुक. मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार है मेरे कपड़ों से एंड आई एम लाइक कि अगर गंदे हो रहे हैं मेरे कपड़े तो मैं नहीं पहनूंगी, ऑल्दो इट्स द ओकेजन टू वेयर न्यू क्लोथ्स, बट whatever. Okay, so guys, we are ready. I'll show you the whole outfit what I'm wearing and I am also done with my makeup. I like it. मतलब मेरा बेस काफ़ी अच्छा हुआ है and also look at the glow and I'm loving the lip shade. एक second. Oh, I forgot mascara. We have to put on mascara because it's like very important. One of my favorite makeup products has to be mascara. नहीं, we are gonna today we are gonna wear like a new mascara. These are the PR boxes that I received recently. I have made content for them, but I have not yet posted anything regarding all these brands. So अभी इसलिए कुछ किया नहीं है मैंने. This is not the one. मस्कारा that I received. It's very beautiful. मेरे जितने भी मस्कारा थे वो सारे ख़त्म हो चुके थे and I was hoping कि hopefully अगर कोई PR आए तो उसमें मुझे नया मस्कारा मिल जाए, so that anyway so this is the mascara. It's like a duo mascara. So for one side it is for volume and another one is for length, so it's very good. अभी हम लगाएंगे. Okay guys, so we are ready. I really wanted my makeup to be very simple and not too heavy because it's like, but I'm loving it, the way my makeup has turned out, especially the eyes. Perfect blush, perfect lipstick, perfect eyes. Okay, yeah. Okay you guys, so this is the final outfit that I'm wearing. I really like the cuts of this top. Look at it. It's very pretty. And also I tied this thing. It was with the pants only, but I never wore it. But today because ये बहुत ज़्यादा लूज थी, so I had to tie it up. मेरे पास कोई प्रॉपर ढंग की बेल्ट नहीं थी कि मैं बेल्ट पहन लेती, so I had to But anyways, this is the outfit. Of course I'm gonna wear shoes here, and yeah, that's it. So guys, these are few things that we have to take with us. This is a diary, scissors, extension, few A4 size pages, and other than that guys, this is big थैला जो कि हम साथ में लेके जा रहे हैं, जिसके अंदर बहुत सारे कुछ बर्तन है, इंडक्शन है, बॉटल है. This is for like ketchup and cheese, and this is oil, newspapers and stuff like this. अभी ये पूरा पैक्ड है. अगर मैंने इसमें से कुछ भी निकाला, मम्मा इज गोना किल मी, क्योंकि उन्होंने ये सब कुछ अरेंज किया है. सो या
ओके सो गाइज वी हैव फाइनली रीच कॉलेज एंड अभी स्टार्टिंग ही है. सो सारे जो लोग स्टॉल लगा रहे थे दे वर डूइंग देयर सेटअप एंड देन ऑन अ स्टॉल वी हैड चीज शॉट्स, मैगी एंड डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ फ्राइज, masala fries, no actually peri peri fries, cheese peri peri fries and normal salted fries. Honestly speaking, it was like really very great experience and we kind of really enjoyed a lot. And guys, please bear with my camera quality because my phone was lying here and there and because of that गंदे हाथ वगैरह लग रहे थे, तो उसकी वजह से कैमरे की क्वालिटी ख़राब हो गई. एंड फॉर अ फैक्ट बीच में गाइस लाइट चली गई थी, जिसकी वजह से जिसने भी स्टॉल्स लगाए थे उन सबके इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आइटम्स, इंडक्शन वगैरह सब चलने बंद हो गए थे. एंड देन फाइनली जब लाइट आई वी अगेन स्टार्टेड कुकिंग एंड the vibe was very beautiful. I mean, you guys can see lighting and everything was pretty good, and especially the people who were actually watching would have like vibed a lot. गाइस देखो यहाँ पर लोगों की कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स बच गई है, चिप्स बच गई है बहुत सारी, एंड अभी सब लोग चले गए ऑलमोस्ट एंड हम लोग बचे, तो वी आर गोना गो होम ये सब लेके.
Hi guys, so we are home. It's 11:41 p.m. right now, and मुझे घर आए देर हो गई है, and अभी I just came, just अपने रूम में आई हूँ, and we are gonna get rid of the makeup and we are gonna do the PM skincare routine. And my legs are paining like बहुत ही ज़्यादा. Last 4 to 5 hours I am standing like this only, and मैं एक भी बार बैठी नहीं हूँ. So my legs are like all drained, my back is aching. I cannot stand right now because I'm so tired, but I still have to wake up tomorrow and go to college. I have changed and abhi I'll take out the clothes that I'm gonna wear tomorrow in the morning when I go to college, and I'm gonna remove the makeup and do the skincare, and I think like the rest for this day at least it's done, and we are gonna shoot tomorrow now. So yeah, I think I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, good night.
Hi guys, it's day 2 and another outfit check. This was what I was wearing and we are going to a class because अभी भी normal classes हमारी लग रही थी फेस्ट के टाइम पर भी.
या सो हम घर आ चुके हैं एंड मैंने खाना भी खा लिया है. आज डे 2 है एंड आज प्रॉम नाइट एंड डीजे नाइट है. सो हम उसके लिए ड्रेस खरीदने जा रहे हैं क्योंकि आई डिडंट रियली हैड सम गुड ऑप्शंस दैट आई कैन वेयर, जो कि यू नो प्रॉम टाइप्स कुछ हो. And I'm like very excited because this is like something new that's happening in college for the first time. So I had this thing in my mind, like a proper gown wala types dress that I want. Hopefully, I don't know, I'm scared कि मैंने जैसा सोचा है वैसा ड्रेस मेरे को मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा, और अगर नहीं मिलेगा तो मैं क्या करूँगी. Anyway, मैं फिर we are gonna go to my sister's wardrobe और फिर उसकी wardrobe में से कुछ लेंगे. Ready set go guys, हम जा रहे हैं ड्रेस लेने. This is how we are going. Like I think like every girl is gonna relate with me. So a little sun-kissed moment. Okay. Anyway, so guys, we are home and this is the dress that I'm wearing, and we finally got what we wanted and it looks very pretty. ये थोड़ी सी ढीली थी, so I had to do a little bit of fitting session. So I did that and I'm running very late, so I'll quickly get ready and I'll be back.
Oh my god, guys, look at the outfit. I mean, it looks so pretty. I mean, I was kind of like very satisfied the way the whole outfit looked like, and the fitting was really very amazing. So let's go.
Okay, so guys, this was for the prom night and DJ night, and it was really fun. We all enjoyed a lot. It was a really good night, and that was it for day 2. And I mean, tomorrow is the day, concert, and Amaal Mallik is coming, so it's gonna be like, fingers crossed. But yeah, so for now, that was it for the for this day, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Hi guys, so it's 28th February 2024, and it's the final day, day 3 of my college fest, and today it's concert day, and Amaal Mallik is coming, and I'm very excited. Right now it's 6 p.m. I just came home अभी थोड़ी देर पहले because I went out मेरी friend के साथ, because we had to return few things जो हमने stall लगाया था उसके लिए. And अभी I just came home, and now we're gonna get ready because mostly we are gonna leave around 6:45 or 7 p.m. so I have to get ready. I have to start getting ready because I also have to straighten my hairs today, because I washed my hairs and my hairs are like looking very wavy and not that good, so I'm thinking to straighten them. And at the same time I also have to shoot for my Instagram, so I think 1 घंटा में मुझे लग ही जाएगा, so इसलिए we are gonna go and get ready now.
Guys, you know, heat protector is like very important, so for that I use this L'Oreal Paris ka hair serum, and it's really very good. I mean, I have been using this for a while now and I love it. And this is the straightening tool that I will be using. It's from Vega, and don't worry, I'm gonna link down below all the products that I'll be using in the description box below, so you can go and check it out.
Guys, we are ready to go, and I'm ready. This is the whole outfit that I'm wearing, and yeah. Today a little bit of difference in my look. I mean, आज मैंने काजल लगाया after like really long time. So yeah, let's go.
गाइस, जो सबसे पहला काम किया है वो मैगी और सैंडविच खाया है वो जाके.
जब रिलीज होके अपनी जगह बना रहा था. I remember this song was the song that beat all other songs and made Arijit win the Filmfare Award for Best Singer. And that night I only presented it to him because we were around together. It was crazy. तो जब ऐसी हार हो जाती है ना, तब हार मत मानो. Just believe that you've done your best. किया 100% दिया. बाकी कोई कॉस्मिक कॉन्स्पिरेसी करेगी जितना करना. अब वो भगवान है, पावर है, यूनिवर्स है, मैनिफेस्टेशन है, सब लड़कियां यहाँ पे ये सब ways of saying it. It's good. Keep finding new terms.
Okay, so guys, that was it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I mean, while filming it and while editing it, I enjoyed watching it, so I hope that you guys also enjoyed it. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe now. And you can also follow me on Instagram, where I am kind of very consistent comparatively but I'll try to be more consistent on YouTube and post more videos for you guys. So yeah, and also drop me a few suggestions for, like, you know, this kind of long video, anything you want to watch. I'll try and do things accordingly. So yeah, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.